Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today I want to talk a little bit about the importance of, first of all, using your own photographs for your website. It is, first of all, so much better for branding to use your own photos rather than stock photos or AI generated photos. It'll create a more consistent look over time. But I also want to show you how I modify some of mine to add an additional branded layer to everything that I do. And I'm going to do it using a couple of tools in Canva. First of all, the upload section where I've uploaded a lot of my own photographs. And then the other one is the brand hub. Oh my gosh, I love the brand hub. I get to store my logos, of which I have a couple, and also my colors, my two color palettes. We're going to be pulling from this hot pink today. And also my fonts. I use Futura and Courier. And this is where all of this information is stored. So if I come over here to upload, so I've got this square format today because this might eventually be an Instagram post. This is also how I create some of the icons for my blog. So today I'll show you how I did the one for the gold bar. So I'm going to pull and drag this image over to here so that it fills the whole frame because I would like that nice square crop. I'm going to say edit image. And if you've checked out my other Canva Pro video before, then you've seen me use the background remover, which I love. You just come over here, tap BG remover. Mine's kind of in my frequently used tool file. And it's going to take a moment and voila. I don't have to do anything else. Now, if I needed to, I could use restore or erase to fix it up. But in this case, because I took that photo on a black background, it became kind of a shortcut for me. I'm going to hit apply. And then you'll see I have some recently used tools here. But if you're wondering where it is, depending on which layout you have for Canva Pro, there's an original layout and then this is the newer layout, but you can scroll through here to find all of the tools that you need. Personally, I like the fuchsia for me getting to my hot pink color. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. And then if you see these little tools here, if I tap on that, what it does is it takes me to these colors, which I can also revise. So this is actually not quite my branded color. So I'm going to come over here. If I tap that, you'll see, look, my branded color palette pops right up. So I can change that. I can also come over here to the shadows and change it too. Now that washes out the image just a little bit. So I'm going to take down the intensity on one of those so I can still read all of the lettering that was on the gold bar that I took a picture of. So then I tap apply. And that's basically it. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to name it gold bar turned pink. And I think I should probably date this too, because that's just good practice overall to keep track of all of your files. And I'm going to unclick from there. And that's it. So everything's auto saved to Canva. So all I have to do from here is if I want to, I can have it connected to my Instagram account and I can go ahead and link it to that. I could share across multiple social medias. They've got all of them: TikTok, Facebook group, LinkedIn page. I can also offer to publish it elsewhere. It can go save to my Google Drive, to my Dropbox, all kinds of options. But the image is done and it is ready to go, and that's it. So if you have any questions about anything that you saw in this video, go ahead and drop them in the comments. And thank you so much for watching.